Okay, so cute flower girl style today. So you're going to start off by parting the hair, but instead of going straight down the center, you're going to do like a little zigzag part, and that's just going to soften this style up. Then I want you to take half the hair and tie it up like so. And then we're going to do a French braid. So it's just three strands crossing over the middle, crossing over the middle, and then you're going to add in hair. So I'm adding in from that side, cross over the middle. And then before you go any further, you're going to start teasing out this braid. So I just want you to keep adding in hair, crossing over the middle, and teasing out. You can sort of decide how big you want this braid to be, but you'll do that all the way down. Now, what I want you to think when you're braiding is you need it to be tight enough that it doesn't become loose, but you want it to be just soft enough so you can tease this braid out. So don't braid too tightly with this style. So I'm just working my way down the hair now, and I'm just teasing out. I'm teasing out the center of the braid and the edges of the braid. You can make this a bit messier if you want to, no problem. And then you'll just tie an elastic at the end of this braid. Then we come to the other side. So again, three strands, cross over the middle, cross over the middle, one more time, cross over the middle. And then you're going to add hair into that section that you've just crossed over the middle. And then you pick up your middle section, and then you take the other outside section over and across like so. And again, you're going to hold that braid and just tease out with your fingers. Take your time, make sure the hair's detangled so you haven't got any kind of knotty bits in there, and you work your way down. Now, when you come to the nape of the neck, you're going to take a looped hair tool. You're going to take the section that's closest to the other braid, pull it through that looped hair tool, so I think it's called a topsy tail, and then you're just going to pull it through the other braid. So you could attach the braid with grips, but I find that this way looks more natural, the grips aren't falling out, and you're going to do that all the way to the bottom. So push it through, take that inside section, pull it through the loop, pull it through the other braid, and then just continue braiding down. And then to decorate the hair today, we decided to use little butterflies, but you could definitely use flowers or pearls. We just went for a more colourful look today. So I'm just alternating the colours all the way down. I think this looks so cute. You could use little white ones if you wanted to, all the way down to the end. And then this is little Esme doing a lovely spin. Look how cute she looks. So all the way around, you can see the fullness of that braid. I think it looks really soft and pretty. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.